Hello everyone, Tina here. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Thanks for joining me. Today I get to share with you an LDRS creative project using this adorable little stamp set. It's called You're So Tweet. It's a smaller stamp set. It's a 4x4, but there's a lot of fun images in here, perfect for springtime cards. And I like that there's buildable sentiments where you can kind of customize your own sentiment. So for today's card, we're going to make a Mother's Day card. And I'm going to start off by inking up my branch here with my mini Raven ink cube. It's a hybrid ink, so it's perfect for Copic coloring. I'm going to stamp my branch 3 times, and then in the stamp set there's also a cute little birdhouse. I love birdhouses, and so I actually attempted to make one time, and it didn't look nothing like this. But love birdhouses. I'm going to stamp that, and then there's quite a few little birds in the stamp set. I'm going to take the one that is the mama bird and the baby bird next to each other. Super cute. I thought it'd be perfect for a Mother's Day card. So I stamped that. But I'm going to zoom in. I left my caps out to show you the colors that I use with my Copic markers. And I also listed them, if I can speak, I listed them in left-hand corner for you. But while I color, I will play a little bit of music for you, and when I'm done, I will catch you back. Okay, coloring is all done. Now I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to fussy cut each one of my elements out. Once they're fussy cut out, I did stamp my sentiment. I built my own sentiment that says, "Mom, you are so tweet." I think that's a little bit hard to say, but I think it's a super cute message. I just stamped it and then cut out a thin strip with it. I did add white dots to my little birdies for a little extra detail. And now we're going to work on a background. For my background, this is new to me. It's new to the LDRS Creative Shop. It's super pretty background die. It's called a Peekaboo Petalette, and it comes with 4 dies. The background is absolutely dainty and feminine, and I die cut it out here to show you. It's just super pretty. I already added foam adhesive behind the back, but I also die cut out 7 of the little flowers too. The flowers are perfect for layering on top of your background, and so I thought that's what we would do today. I'm going to leave my background white only because I thought it kept it kind of soft and dainty and delicate, and I like that effect. I just placed my background on an A2 size card base. It's a top folding card base, and then I wanted little daisies on this card, so I'm going to bring in another mini ink cube. This one here is Dandelion, and there's a itty bitty heart. There's a couple little hearts in the stamp set. This is a solid one, and I thought it'd be fun to add a little heart to the center of each one of my little flowers. So once we have that done, I'm going to take some very small pieces of foam tape, add them around my background, and then attach the flowers right on top of the existing daisy. This is going to give me a double layer and give me a little added dimension. And I just love the yellow with the white. I think it's just super soft. And I somehow got ink on one of my flowers, so I used my white gel pen to kind of clean it up a little bit. Okay, now we get to play with our little scene building. I know I wanted 2 of the branches behind my little birdhouse here, and I wanted to fit my mama bird and baby bird on that 3rd tree branch. So I'm just kind of figuring out my placement here. We're going to flip it around. I think that's going to work out better. I think that's gonna work just fine. Next, we're gonna take our sentiment. I'm gonna use my scissors and angle off the left and the right side here. And then I'm gonna add a thin strip of foam tape behind it. And this is gonna go underneath our little bluebirds there. Just making sure it's straight. Because if I got the sentiment crooked, I know I was going to get the birdie branch crooked and the branches on the birdhouse. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and attach my birds to the tree branch, and then I'll flip it over. I'm going to add some thin strips of foam tape behind here. So this is the same level as my sentiment. We'll go ahead and add that right above. And we're going to do the same thing with our little tree house. Although I'm going to trim down my tree branches just a little bit. This way I can tuck them more inside that oval shape in the center of my panel there. And I wanted them different heights. So this one's going to go lower, and then this one's going to go a little bit higher than that first one. We're going to add some foam tape behind here as well. And then place that right above our little birdies there. Just love that. I think it's adorable. Now I'm going to use that same dandelion ink, and using the same mini solid heart that was in the stamp set, I'm going to go ahead and fill in the rest of my little flower centers all around this background. This is going to spread out that yellow. I'll do a couple more on the top here. Lovely. Okay, next I'm going to use some glossy accents, and then I'm going to go over my little birdhouse door, and then there's a little dot that's the perch. I'm going to dot that as well, and then for a little bit of sparkle I'm going to go in with some Nuvo glitter drops. These are White Blizzard. I just went over all the yellow hearts in the center of my flowers. And then that's my card for today, guys. A super fun and dainty Mother's Day card. I think the sentiment's super tweet. Thanks so much for joining me, guys. I wish you a fantastic day, and we will see you again real soon. Bye-bye.